2 cans of our Spam diced. Now I'm coming in with my minute rice, and we're just adding a generous amount of our rice right on top of our Spam. I'm gonna use about half of this box, which is gonna be about 14 ounces. Once we have our rice in there, we're gonna grab our 6 eggs and we're just gonna dump that right into our pan with our Spam and rice. Now this is gonna be a super easy, super delicious breakfast. I know, you call me crazy. We're adding about 1 bulb of garlic that we diced. Now we're gonna go ahead and season this up. I have my fresh black pepper, and we are just gonna go in with the pepper. Now you can season this however you like. I just wanna keep it very traditional and very yummy. All right, that looks like the perfect amount of pepper. Then we're gonna come in with our salt. You definitely need some salt in this dish. This is just what's gonna bring everything together. Ooh, I'm so excited. Next, I'm coming in with my onion powder, and we're gonna sprinkle that right on top. Now, you can swap whatever you want for whatever you want. That's the best part of this. If you don't like Spam, you can use ham, you can use a sausage, but this traditionally goes with Spam. Now I'm coming in with my red pepper flakes because I do like a little bit of heat in the morning, but I know I am odd in that way, so do not feel pressured to add red crushed pepper.
I'm odd too then.
I'm gonna come in with my spatula, and it is time to mix everything together. And don't worry, we are gonna add some liquid to make sure that that rice gets nice and cooked, but I love that this is an all-in-one pan dish. Usually you have to cook this up on the stove, you have to pre-cook the rice, but that's why I love that minute rice, because the minute rice doesn't need to be washed, it doesn't need to be pre-cooked. It is literally so accessible, so easy. It is my go-to rice for these types of dishes. But I think this is kind of coming together pretty fast, huh?
Oh yeah, super fast. It looks good too.
Yum, I am so excited. We're gonna go ahead and smooth that out just a little, because this is coming together very fast. Now I'm coming in with my teriyaki sauce. And we're gonna go ahead and just do a nice drizzle of this right on top of our rice and Spam. Okay, that looks pretty good. And like I mentioned, we do need some water, so I'm adding 2 cups of water to this. And this is gonna kind of help that sauce get incorporated as well as cook the rice.
Ooh, that teriyaki sauce smells good too.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Now, to make sure that this gets fully cooked, we are gonna cover this in foil. Just like so. That keeps all the moisture in there so that our rice can get beautifully cooked. Everything can be nice and ready for breakfast. All right, this is gonna go into the oven at 350 for about 50 minutes. Oh my, this smells absolutely incredible. Now we gotta kind of lift that foil. Oh yeah, that looks delicious.
Wow.
Oh, it smells absolutely incredible, which I know I already mentioned, but I got the second whiff. Now, before we dig in, I am going to cut up some green onions because that is a necessity for this dish. Our Spam and eggs, Spam fried rice, something that I absolutely loved to eat every day when I went to Hawaii. And of course, I had to make my own version of it because it was just that good. And obviously, it won't be as good as the Hawaiians can make it, but I am just trying to eat good. I think that looks perfect. And you can add some sesame seeds on there, some sriracha, but I think this is gonna be exactly what I need. Oh, that rice is perfectly cooked. I think I should have sprayed the pan, but you know what? We are going to do what's best for us.
Ooh, that looks really good.
Oh, yum. I'm so excited. I love Spam. I love fried rice.
Is it good?
Wow, I think I nailed it. It is absolutely incredible. You guys are gonna love this.